Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a mail ID of a particular person on LinkedIn. So most of the time we cannot find the mail ID in the contact info. So using this trick it will help you to get the mail ID. So first of all we have to go to the Chrome web browser and we have to install this extension. I'll be providing this link in the description. You can download this extension even from there. So I'll click on add to Opera and then I'll click on add extension. Once that is done, I'll just simply click on start using this extension. You will be prompted to log in using your Google account. You can do that too. And I'll pin this. So for now it is directly showing me this page, but in your case it should tell you to log in. So you can simply log in, and once you have logged in, whenever you visit a profile page, it will show this pop-up, and then you can simply click on reveal contacts. And you can see my personal mail ID was fetched. So using this you can fetch the mail IDs. Again, they will be giving only 10 credits, so you can only search for mail ID 10 times, but every month they reset it and they provide you free 10 credits again, so it will be renewed again next month. So thanks for watching. If you face any issue you can simply contact me on LinkedIn and I can guide you there. If you like this video, please like on this video, comment on this video, share this video to your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.